A couple of years ago, the paleo diet burst onto the scene, and everybody and their neighbor was talking about it. There were the fanatics and the detractors. Despite all the opinions and debate, the paleo diet has repeatedly shown how effective it is for aiding in weight loss and improving your health in general. Even till today, the popularity of the paleo diet shows no signs of waning and is still extremely popular all over the world. Also known as the caveman diet, this is not an easy diet to follow. It's stringent and some foods are anathema to the diet. You're not allowed to consume processed foods, sugar, starches, dairy, etc. In fact, coping with the severe restrictions of the diet is the biggest hurdle most people will face when trying to go paleo. Since eating out will become next to impossible due to the restrictions, you'll need to do most of the cooking yourself. Here's where most people stumble. How do you find a substitute for sugar? Most ingredients that people are used to cooking with are processed. Finding substitutes that work with the diet is a nightmare. What you need is a good paleo cookbook to help you navigate this uncharted territory. Because of this desperate need, the PaleoHacks Cookbook has become an online bestseller. With thousands and thousands of copies sold and a long list of happy customers, this cookbook has proven that it's head and shoulders above all the rest. The testimonials all over the official site is social proof that this paleo cookbook is the real deal. But take a closer look and see if it's the right cookbook for you. The good points. 1. The biggest selling point of this product is the sheer number of recipes it has. With over 150 paleo recipes, there's something for every paleo eater here. The dishes are tasty and use ingredients that are allowed in the paleo diet. So, you'll not need to crack your head and worry if you're adhering to the specifications of the diet. You just need to follow the recipes here. 2. While the PaleoHack Cookbook is fantastic on its own, it's also accompanied by excellent bonuses such as the Paleo 4X Cookbook, the PaleoHacks 30-Day Jumpstart, 1-month Paleo Meal Plan, the Eating Paleo at Restaurants Guide, and the Paleo Foods and Fails Guide. All these are extremely useful for people on the paleo diet. 3. This book is inexpensive and affordable for most people. With the insane value it delivers, this is an investment that is truly value for money. The cooking skills that you learn from the PaleoHacks Cookbook will last you for a long time to come. 4. The book will also educate you on how to substitute organic ingredients and keep the GMO products at bay. 5. Just when you thought it couldn't get better, the product has a 60-day money-back guarantee. Imagine that. You have 2 months to try out the recipes and see if you like them. You'll probably will love the dishes you prepare and never get a refund. 6. This is a proven product from a reputable seller. The PaleoHacks brand is popular amongst paleo enthusiasts all over the world. You can't go wrong with it. The bad points. 1. There were not enough pictures in the book. This is not really a big deal because the instructions are simple and easy to understand. But it would have been nicer to be able to see photos of what the dishes looked like. Nothing like a good old photo of tasty food to whet your appetite. 2. You'll need to purchase and download this product online. A computer and internet connection are required, but once downloaded, you can print it for easy reference. Should you get it, this guide is a must-buy if you're serious about the paleo diet and want to succeed at it. Knowing how to prepare your own paleo meals is half the battle. 1. The PaleoHacks Cookbook will be invaluable here. Trying to avoid the forbidden ingredients and prepare dishes on your own can be an uphill task. In most cases, your food might end up tasting bland. You're just not used to cooking without the processed ingredients. This can be demotivating and might even cause you to quit the diet. That's exactly why the PaleoHacks Cookbook is so helpful. It'll show you how to use spices and other natural ingredients to make your food taste delightful. Forget the soy sauce and monosodium glutamate. You don't need those. Pick up the PaleoHacks Cookbook, give the recipes a try, and you'll be amazed at how tasty healthy food can be. You really can have the best of both worlds. Get the PaleoHacks Cookbooks now.